lemon leaf crush.
Okay. Green chili.
Onion.
Itu ki cheese naki?
And cheese.
Cheese.
How did you?
Alright guys, today is another weekend. Today is Saturday and then I have come out with my friends to have a weekend party here. Just to chill out. Right now I am here in Kapili, or in Assamese we call it Kapili picnic spot. It's around hardly 30 kilometers from Guwahati. It's a very beautiful place here, you can see around me. So my friends are over there. For us it's like a get together. I think it's around 2 years we are meeting each other, and so we are arranging a small get together party here. Here cooking is going to be done. Yes, Master Chef, what is here?
Ginger garlic pork.
Pork! This is Kamal. Nitesh. By the way, our friends are wildlife expert and they have just collected some forest leaves where we haven't brought any plate. We will be eating on those leaves. They're coming. Yes, Kripalda!
Yeah, we have explored the banana leaves.
Yes! This is Kripalda. Yes, what did you bring?
We bought these banana leaves
Yes.
from down there.
Okay.
So it was really hard work for us. These two guys has really done a commendable job. They have just walked for around 1 kilometer to explore the uphills there.
Okay.
Bani, and like we are really thankful to them, these guys.
What are we expecting today?
We'll have a good fest here, all together with all the guys.
After how many years
After 2 years, yes.
we are getting together?
Yes, we are getting together. So looking forward.
Yes, I'm with Briguda, the senior most guy in the group, most qualified, eligible bachelor among us. This is Anjan. You have already seen him in my earlier vlogs. This is Barin.
Yes.
Having good time.
Hi guys.
I'm meeting him after 1.5 months.
This is a kind of reunion after Manas.
After Manas, yes. But for all of us together, it's been 2 years. I meet him very often. Thank you.
Yo.
And this is Bijit Bora. He has just completed his masters. He is a younger brother.
Yes.
He's a very good cricketer.
Thank you.
Get lost. So Barin and Briguda are preparing something.
Ginger and garlic paste.
Fish. Wow. Briguda is very busy cutting capsicum.
And this is Briguda's bachelor party.
This is not his bachelor party, not this time.
This is just starting.
Starter.
You can see the smile in his face, and you can figure it out how happy he is today.
Yes.
Salt pay করেন নাকি?
Go.
ওই নিমকটু করলো।
Yes.
This is what we have today at his house, so late.
Preparations are going on for the fish now. What is going on here?
Lemon leaf crush.
Okay. Green chili.
Onion.
Itu ki cheese naki?
And cheese.
Cheese. Steam fish neki tu.
This is patot dia mas.
Patot dia mas.
अरे रानी पिकनिक स्पॉट है ना उधर पे पिकनिक स्पॉट पे हूँ तो इसमें लगे मैंने क्या रो
The fish is ready. It is wrapped. We are going to smoke it now.
How did you?
So guys, preparations are going on there. We have got pork, we have got smoked fish which is getting ready, and we also have got some small fish. Everything is getting ready there. We are going to have a good time now. Yeah, he wants to fly a drone. Fly, fly, fly!
Lions roar.
Cut, cut!
And this is the dude and one of the best guys.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into life.
Yeah, it's almost ready now. They are just taking it off. So this is the final product.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So the food is almost ready. Fish and all is almost ready. Rice is also cooked, and we are going to have that now.
Beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have still not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, share, like, comment. Tell me if you liked or disliked the video in the comment section. So till next episode, take care. Bye.